we look at the range, you can see how far it goes. And you put it onto a wider view, you can see how wide of area it lights up, and it's pretty bright. Not sure the camera will show it as well as the naked eye, but it is pretty bright. But just look how far into the distance that lights up. Hello and welcome to another episode of Inspect the Gadget, where today I'm going to be unboxing and taking a look at this new torch that I've just got. It's by a brand called, correct me if I'm wrong, it's pronounced Relybo. If I'm saying that wrong, please let me know in the comments, but I'm pretty sure it's Relybo. It's a high luminance flashlight. Now, I just bought this for myself because I needed it for work. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing and I'm going to test it now, and I'll test it later when it goes dark to show you like how bright it is and how far it actually reaches. Okay, so as you can see, it comes in this nice little fancy carry case with a carry strap. Okay, it's four connections around the box. Flap them open. Okay, you've got the protective cover, keep up there. Okay, so you get the carry strap that you can attach to your belt, so you can put the torch in there. Got the charging cable. Got a big battery. 3 small batteries. And another small battery up to AA, so AAA, AA, and whatever that one is. And then inside the box, we have instructions, I guess. And then we have 2 devices. So first of all, let me open that. Okay, so on the back here we have the charging port. Now if I open it up, you'll see that it's got USB-C charging port and also the standard USB connector, which you can actually use this as a power bank for your phone. On the front here you've got a little display, so it actually tells you the power, and then you've got the power off and on button, and then we've got the zoomable lens, try a look later, and then of course a clip into your pants, belt, whatever, and also another carry strap. Okay, also in the pack comes with this little small device, which is a UV light, which you can use for checking for dog pee, any stains on your bed, maybe in hotel rooms or in your own bed. So that is a little accessory that comes with it, a little UV torch for whatever use you may have. Okay, so I think they're the actual alkaline batteries. They're just your standard sort of backup batteries, things to keep in there to put into your torch. But this one is your actual rechargeable battery. Just get that unwrapped. Okay, so you got your focused zone or zoom and your wide zoom. As you can see on there, you got your display. It tells you how much battery you currently have, which is currently 100%. Okay, and that's the little UV light. Okay, so it's got high light source density, strong stability and powerful penetration, which can easily penetrate atrocious dust and thick haze. It's also especially fit for rainy days, foggy days and low light visibility. So if you're working out, say outside in the fog, things like that, pouring out of rain, you work at night, then you're looking for a torch that's super bright, can get through all that sort of fog and haze, then it sounds like this is the one for you. Beam can illuminate 2,600 square foot area like a gigantic wall of light, or focus on objects up to 5,000 feet away. So as I mentioned before, it's super bright, it's rechargeable, it's got USB-C charging port, which I find is really handy nowadays. So you can charge it by your car, computer, your phone charger, whatever you have that's a USB connection, you can charge that. Also, like I say, it's got a USB connection thing in there as well, so you can charge up your phone or any of the devices that need like a power bank. As long as that's fully charged, they can charge up your device. Okay, the torch has 5 modes. So you got high, medium, low, strobe and SOS. So we can just take a look at that now. High, medium, low, strobe, SOS. So it's handy if you're in hiking, anything like that, and you might need to get someone's attention. But of course, it's all in the one torch. Or if it is on, you can just long press and it should turn off. There we go. So the tactical torch is made of durable aircraft aluminium. It has high impact resistance and scratch resistance, so it withstand accidental drops up to 20 feet and even run over by a truck by weighing 20 tons, and it still remains intact afterwards. It's got a built-in high density seal waterproof rubber ring, effectively resist water resistance and snow. It's got an adjustable torch clip there, so you can attach it to your belt and so on. Just move it around. And also it's designed so it won't roll, because of the shape of it, it won't roll away on a flat surface, that is. Okay, as I mentioned before, it also includes this little UV torch, which is an all new upgraded 365nm UV torch, weighing only 0.09 pounds. Okay, and the torch is actually only 7 inches long. I mean 3.6 inches, but we just don't tell the girls that. So it's perfect for pockets, knapsacks and purses. It's zoomable, and you've got a tactical switch on the back there to switch it off and on. It's perfect for outside use to find scorpions and minerals, and it's also useful to detect pet urine and do a house deep clean. Dread to use this in my house. Okay, so you can't really see me very well, it's very dark. I'm just going to show you the torch working at night. So if you look at the range, you can see how far it goes. And you put it on so wide a view, you can see how wide of area it lights up, and it's pretty bright. I'm not sure the camera will show it as well as the naked eye, but it is pretty bright. But just look how far into distance that lights up. Just before we wrap up this video, I just want to say you can support this channel by using Buy Me a Coffee or Patreon. If you don't want to support me financially, just by giving this video a thumbs up or subscribing, be a massive help to my channel and my family, and I can't thank you enough for doing so, whichever one you choose to do. Even just leave a comment, just say you've watched it, enjoyed it, got some value out of it, stuff like that. Anything like that just is a big help to this video and this channel, so thank you very much in advance. So yeah, that's it for this video. If it did bring you some value, then please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe for more future videos like this, and I'll catch you on the next one. See you all soon. Bye bye.